Good morning, students. Until the previous class, we have discussed much about the partial fractions from the IP perspective. So let us work out some problems from the objective perspective as well. So the first question is the remainder when polynomial 1 plus x cube plus x power 9 plus x power 27 plus x power 81 plus x power 243 is divided by x minus 1 is. So actually we have to divide this polynomial with x minus 1, and in this actually we need to find out this remainder. So because since this is an objective bit, so we should not do like that because it leads to the time consuming and lengthy process. It's a cumbersome method. So we have the remainder theorem as an alternative for this. What does the remainder theorem says? That if f of x is a polynomial, then the remainder of f of x when divided by x minus a is f of a. So likewise, this is f of x and the remainder when it is divided by x minus 1 is f of 1, because x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. If you substitute in this, then we'll get the answer. So this is 1, x value is 1, 1 cube, 1 power 9, 1 power 27, 1 power 81, 1 power 243. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 1. So 7. So this is the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. All that we need to do is what? Put x is equals to 1 in the given polynomial f of x. So this is what we have to do. So the next one is x power 64 plus x power 27 plus 1 when it is divided by x plus 1 is. So the options are 1, minus 1, 3 is 2, 4 is 0. So the same thing, let f of x is equals to x power 4, x power 64 plus x power 27 plus 1. So according to the remainder theorem, the remainder of this polynomial is f of minus 1. So x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to minus 1, and substitute that minus 1 in the given polynomial to obtain the remainder. So f of minus 1 equals to minus 1 whole power 64 plus minus 1 whole power 27 plus 1. So minus 1 whole power 64 is plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 27 is minus 1, because odd power negative value, even power positive plus 1. So 1 gets cancelled. So therefore the answer for this is 1. So this is how we will solve. The next bit is, so this is the question given, 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2. This is an proper fraction because degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 2. So degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So proper fraction. Partial fraction is applicable for the proper fraction. Now, so let us see x square minus 3x plus 2. The denominator contains a quadratic factor. We have to see whether this is reducible or not. Reducible means further factorized. Irreducible means it can't be reduced any further. So x square minus 3x plus 2 has got the factors x minus 1 into x minus 2. So 3x plus 7 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. X into x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x minus into minus plus 1 to the 2. So this is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. This everyone knows how to do. A into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. So then x equals to 1, x equals to 2, everything. But the shortcut here is put x is equals to 1 to obtain the value of a. So whatever that is there in the denominator of this a, you equate it to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. So that one you substitute here covering this x minus 1. Then we'll get the value of a. So a is equals to, so 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 7, 10 by 3, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is minus 10. Again, to obtain the value of b, so whatever that is there in the denominator of b, you equate it to 0. So put x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. So that implies b is equals to, so x equals to 2, this you cover. So substitute x equals to 2 in this. 3 2s are 6 plus 7, 13 by 2 minus 1. So this is 1. So therefore, the values are a by x minus 1. A means minus 10 by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. The value of b is 13. So 13 by x minus 2, the bit number 2. Now the next question is, if 3x plus 4 by x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to a by x minus 2 minus b by x minus 1, then a, b is equals to how much? So this is again 3x plus 4 by x square minus 3x plus 2 is x minus 2 into x minus 1. It can again written as x minus 1 into x minus 2, but the order here is x minus 2, x minus 1. I have written like this. Now this is a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 1. So this is equals to, now to obtain the value of a, so whatever that is there in the denominator of a, you equate it to 0. X minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. That 2 you substitute in the LHS covering x minus 2. So put x is equals to 2 implies a is equals to 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10 by, so 2 minus 1, 1. So a is equals to 10. Now to obtain the value of b, so whatever that is in the denominator of b, you just equate it to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. So put x is equals to 1. So b we will be getting by covering x minus 1 in the LHS. By covering x minus 1 in the LHS and substitute x equals to 1 in the value of, in the place of x. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 4, 7 by 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is minus 7. So therefore, a is equals to 10 and b is equals to how much? So this is equals to, a value is 10, 10 by x minus 2 plus b is equals to minus 7 by x minus 1. Now this is, if you equate this, 10 by x minus 2 minus 7 by x minus 1, if you equate this to, so in the place of a, you will find 10. In the place of b, you have 7. So option number 2. If 1 minus x plus 6x square by x minus x cube, so is equals to this, then a is equals to how much is what we need to find. So since we are not required to find the remaining values of b and c, the shortcut that we have used for the last problem will be used here. So this is 1 minus x plus 6x square by x minus x cube is equals to a by x minus b by 1 minus x, c by 1 plus x. Now To obtain the value of a, whatever that is in the denominator of a, you equate it to 0. Put x equals to 0. Now, so this x minus x cube is x if you take common, then we'll get 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Now, x equals to 0, we have to substitute in the LHS, wherever you have x, you substitute 0 in the place of x, covering this. Now, 1 minus 0 plus 6 into 0 square is 0 by 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So, this is 1. So, therefore, the value of a is 1. If 1 by 16 minus x square equals to 1 by k into 4 minus x into 4 plus x. So this 1 by 16 minus x square is 4 minus x into 4 plus x. So this is non-repeated linear factors. So a by 4 minus x plus b by 4 plus x will take. Now, so to obtain the value of a, substitute, take 4 minus x equals to 0, x equals to 4. Put x is equals to 4. So to obtain the value of a, substitute x equals to 4 covering its factor. So 1 by 4 plus 4, 8. Likewise, put x is equals to obtain the value of b, equate 4 plus x equals to 0, x equals to minus 4. So to obtain the value of b, substitute minus 4 in the LHS covering its factor. So 4 plus x you cover here. So 1 by 4 minus x value is minus 4. Minus of minus plus 4. So 1 by 8. So therefore 1 by 16 minus x square is equals to, in both of them 1 by 8 is common. So then we'll get 1 by 4 minus x. This is 1 by 8 into 4 minus x. This is 1 by 8 into 4 plus x. Take 1 by 8 in common. Then this is what we'll get. So this and this if you compare, then in the place of k, you'll find 8 here. Therefore, option number 2. If 3x by x minus a into x minus b equals to 2 by x minus a plus 1 by x minus b, then a is to b. The ratio is what he's asking. So 3x by x minus a into x minus b is equals to a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. To obtain the value of a, again, to obtain the value of a, so substitute x minus a equals to 0, x equals to a. Put x equals to a. Now, a is equals to, so x minus a, if you cover and substitute x equals to a here, 3 into a, 3a by a minus b. A minus b. In the place of a here 2. So 2 is equals to 3a by a minus b. Here we no need to find the value of b. So here what I have done is a is equals to 3a by a minus b, right? So this 3a by a minus b in the place of a I have substituted. So and I compare these two. In both these x minus a is by x minus a is common. So therefore in the place of a 3a by a minus b, this I have equated to 2. Now this is equals to 2 into a 2a minus 2b is equals to 3a. So this is 3a minus 2a is a is equals to minus 2b. So therefore a by b is equals to minus 2. Therefore a by b is equals to minus 2 by 1, that is to 1. So the option number 2. Plus a is this, then a is equals to. So as usual, 3x by x minus 6 into x plus a is equals to a by x minus 6 plus b by x plus a. So put x is equals to 6, x minus 6 equals to 0, x equals to 6. So substituting here, covering this, a is equals to 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18 by this a is, x is 6, 6 plus a here. So let us equate. So here 1 by x minus 6, 1 by x minus 6 is same. In the place of a, 18 by 6 plus a. Here a is equals to 2, right? A is equals to 2. And a, we have got it to be 18 by 16 plus a. This is equals to 2. 18 is equals to 2 6 are 12 plus 2 into a, 2a. 18 minus 12 is 6 is equals to 2a. Therefore, a is equals to 6 by 2, which is 3. So the option number 3. If 1 by 1 minus 2x into 1 plus 3x equals to this, then 2b is equals to how much? So put 1 minus 2x equals to 0, 1 is equals to 2x, x is equals to half. Put x is equals to half and substitute here to get the value of a. So 1 by, so this has to be covered. 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is, 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. 1 by 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. Put x is equals to 1 plus 3x equals to 0, 1 is equals to minus 3x, x equals to minus 1 by 3. So b is equals to, we have to cover this, 1 by 1 minus 2 into minus 1 by 3. So this is equals to 1 minus into minus plus 2 by 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So 1 by 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. Now, so this b is equals to, so 2b is 2 into b value is 3 by 5. This is 6 by 5. Now, so 6 by 5, this 2b is equals to, a value is 2 by 5. 6 by 5 is not equals to 2 by 5. Option verification. 2b is 6 by 5, right? So 6 by 5 is equals to, 6 by 5 is equals to a. A is how much? 2 by 5. So that is not equal. So this 6 by 5 is equals to, 2b is 6 by 5 is equals to 2 into 2 by 5, which is not equals to 4 by 5. So 2b, 2 into 3 by 5, 6 by 5 is equals to 3 into 2 by 5. Yes, 3 2 is 6 by 5. So this is equal. Therefore, this option is correct. If x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3 implies a plus c is equals to how much? So, as usual, whatever we have learned and we have been applying right from the beginning, the same concept is to be used here. So to obtain the value of a, so whichever that is in the denominator of a equated to 0, that is x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 1. Put x equals to 1. Now this x equals to 1, we have to substitute in the LHS covering this x minus 1 is what I have said. So a is equals to 1 square plus 1 plus 1, 3 by this we need to cover. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this is minus into minus plus 3 by 2. Likewise, so we don't require b here, c we want. So to obtain the value of c, whichever that is there in the denominator of c has to be equated to 0. Put x is equals to 3. X minus 3 equals to 0, x equals to 3. So c we will be getting substituting x equals to 3 in the LHS covering this x minus 3 factor. So now 3 square 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 is 13 by. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 13 by 2. Therefore a plus c is equals to 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2. 3 plus 13 by 2, this is 16 by 2, which is equals to 8. The option number 4. Let a, b, c be such that 1 by 1 minus a, x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x equals to a by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus 2x plus c by 1 minus 3x. Then a by 1 plus b by 3 plus c by 5 equals to how much? So, as usual, to get the value of small a, equate 1 minus x to 0, x equals to 1. So, put x is equals to 1. So, a is equals to, so covering this 1 minus x in the LHS, so substitute 1 here. 1 by 1 minus 2 into 1 is 1 minus 2, so minus 1. 1 minus 3 into 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So a is equals to 1 by 2. Likewise, put x is equals to 1 minus 2x equals to 0, 1 equals to 2x, 1 by 2 is equals to x. Put x is equals to half. So then we'll get b is equals to 1 minus, so covering this, 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 minus 3 into 1 by 2, so 1 minus 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2. So 1 by minus 1 by 4. So this is minus 4. So put x is equals to 1 minus 3x equals to 0, 1 equals to 3x, x is equals to 1 by 3. So c is equals to, now we have to cover this 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. 3 1s are 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 into 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 by 3 3s are 9. 1 by 2 by 9 is 9 by 2. Now a by 1 plus b by 3 plus c by 5 is equals to, a value is 1 by 2 by 1. So 1 by 2 plus b value is minus 4 by 3 plus c value is 9 by 2 by 5. 9 by 2 5s are 30. 2 5s are 10. So the LCM is 2 3 10, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 3s. 30 is the LCM. 30 by 2 is 15 into 1 15 minus 30 by 3 is 10. 10 4s are 40 plus 30 by 10 is 3. 3 9s are 27. So 27 plus 15 is 42. 42 minus 40 is 2. 2 by 30, which is equals to 1 by 15. So the option number 1. X cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to a plus b by 2x minus 1 plus c by x plus 2 plus d by x minus 3. Then a is equals to. So here the fraction is improper fraction with the degree of f of x and degree of g of x, which is denominator, is the same. So according to the division algorithm, f of x by g of x is equals to k plus r of x remainder by the divisor. So here with k in the place of k here a. So a is the coefficient of the highest degree, coefficient of the highest degree term of f of x by g of x. Here x cube quotient is 1. Here 2x into x into x. 2x cube, x cube quotient is 2. So 1 by 2. So a value is 1 by 2. Plus this is a by 2x minus 1, b by x plus 2, c by x minus 3. A is already used. Therefore this is given. This is the direct bit. So therefore a is equals to half. X square plus 5 by x square plus 2 whole square is equals to this. Then k equals to. So this is x square plus 5 by x square plus 2 whole square. This is the irreducible, repeated irreducible quadratic factor. So this is ax plus b by cx plus d by. So here already it is given. So x square plus 2 whole square is the LCM, and this is x square plus 2 plus k. These two gets cancelled. Now x square plus 5 is equals to x square plus 2 plus k. So this is equals to the comparing coefficients, comparing constants on both sides. Comparing constants on both sides. So 5 is equals to 2 plus k. So from this, k is equals to 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. The option number 3. If x square plus x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is written as x plus 1 whole square. And further, it is an improper fraction with the degree of f of x and degree of g of x to be the same. So the x square quotient on the, so here the quotient of the coefficient of the highest degree terms in LHS and RHS is 1 by 1. So a is equals to 1. So b and c we need to, and this is x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square. So a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square. It is already a is given. So this is the question given, and a minus b is equals to, in terms of c I want the answer. So this is equals to x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square is equals to, the LCM here is x plus 1 whole square. So this is a into x plus 1 whole square plus b into x plus 1 plus c. So this is equals to x square plus x plus 1 is equals to a into x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c. So comparing coefficient of x square on both sides, then we'll get x square quotient is 1 here. Here x square quotient is a. So we have discussed directly also without solving all of them, because the quotient of the highest degree term of f of x is 1 by 1. So a is equals to 1 already we get. Now, so comparing constants on both sides. So this is 1 here. So a into 1 is the constant plus b into 1b plus c. These are the constants, and comparing the coefficient of x on both sides, then we'll get x quotient is 1 here. So here 2a plus b. So from this 1 is equals to a value is 1, 2 ones are 2 plus b. So b is equals to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So from this 1 is equals to a value is 1, b value is minus 1 plus c. So these two gets cancelled. C is equals to 1. Therefore, a minus b is equals to how much? 1 minus of minus 1. So this is 2. So now let us check the options. 4c is 4 into 1. A minus b is 2. 2 is not equals to 4. First bit is failed. Second bit is 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 not equals to 2. 3 into 1 3. 3 is not equals to 2. 2c. 2 into c value is 1. 2 ones are 2. So a minus b is also 2. So option number 4. 3x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole power 4 equals to a by x minus 1, b by x minus 1 whole square, c by x minus 1 whole cube, d by x minus 1 whole power 4. So here the denominator contains repeated linear factor only. We have discussed in the regular class also that if the denominator contains the only repeated linear factor, so instead of a by x minus 1, b by x minus 1 whole square, c by x minus 1 whole cube, d by x minus 1 whole power 4. So the shortcut here is let x minus 1 equals to y, x is equals to y plus 1. So substitute y plus 1 in the place of x. So then we'll get y plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 plus 1 by this is y power 4. X minus 1 is y. So this is 3 into y square plus 2y plus 1. So 6y plus 3. So y plus 1 plus 1 2. So y plus 2 by y power 4. This is 3y square plus 6y plus y is 7y plus 3 plus 2 is 5y y power 4. This is equals to 3y square by y power 4. 3 by y square, and that y is equals to x minus 1 whole square plus 7y by y power 4. 7 by y cube. Y is x minus 1. So x minus 1 whole cube plus 5 by x minus 1 whole power 4. Now compare a by x minus 1. So a is absent here. A is equals to 0. So x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Therefore b value is 3. C value is x minus 1 whole cube. This or same. In the place of c, we'll see 7. And d is equals to 5. Therefore 0, 3, 7, 5 is our A, B, C, D. So the option number 2. If x plus 1 whole square by x cube plus x is equals to a by x plus bx plus c by x square plus 1, then sin inverse a by c is what he is asking. So given that x plus 1 whole square by x cube plus x, take x in common, then x square plus 1. The denominator contains non-repeated linear factor, irreducible quadratic factor, type 1, type 3. So a by x plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. This is what is given. So this is a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x by x into x square plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 whole square by x into x square plus 1 cancelled. Now this is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to ax square plus a plus bx square plus cx. Now comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So x square coefficient in the LHS is a 1. So here a plus b. Now the constants comparing the coefficient of x on both sides. So here 2 is equals to c. So c is equals to 2 we get, and comparing constants on both sides, then we'll get 1 is equals to a. 1 is equals to a. So we require these two values only, a and c. So therefore sin inverse a by c is equal to sin inverse of 1 by c value is 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 is sin 30 degrees. So sin pi by 6. This is pi by 6. So the option number 1.